Okay, sir, your estimated total will be around $3,000.
$3,000?
Hey guys, my name is Exion. This video is about the 2017 Honda Ridgeline. If you own a second generation Honda Ridgeline,
Odyssey, Pilot, or Passport,
then this video is going to apply to you. So recently, my vehicle had reached its 100,000 mile mark. The 100,000 mile mark, the major maintenance is due. And the price for that was quite hefty.
$3,000?
I wasn't quite prepared for the sticker shock that Honda presented me with when I took my truck in.
Topics that I'll be covering is the multi-point inspection, B14 service, spark plug replacement, tune-up maintenance, and how I got that discount. Why does it cost so much?
Basically what Honda does when you take in your truck, they'll go through a multi-point inspection. They'll check the windshield wiper fluid, the wipers, the warning lights, the dash lights, interior drive belts, battery, brake fluid level, engine coolant, transmission fluid level, engine air filter, cabin air filter, front and rear differential and transfer case, exhaust system, brake system components, steering system, cooling system, heating and air conditioning, front suspension, rear suspension, axles, drive axles, U-joints, CV joints, boots, transmission, engine, fuel tank, underbody, and time mileage requirements. Okay, so they just do the full checkup on your truck when you take it in. So the first thing they charged me for was for the minor service. So keep in mind, this is for the B14 minor service, which is the OEM oil and filter change and rotate tires. So that cost me $87.50. What they did was they performed a dealer recommended minor service package, oil and filter change, topped off the fluids, inspect cooling system hoses and the engine belt, tire rotation, and set 4 tires at 35 PSI. Then they did a brake inspection, under vehicle inspection, reset oil life indicator, and they test drove it. Parts, they broke it down. So the menu service kit was $42.15. And then for the oil change, they changed out the washer filter oil and they changed out to full synthetic oil. So that cost $188.54. This is where the expensive part comes in, is when they replace spark plug. The Honda Ridgeline takes 6 spark plugs. It looks like each plug was $66.34 for a total of $398.04. Right? So the labor for changing out the spark plugs is separate. That's $380. So the next thing they did was a valve adjustment, perform a tune-up maintenance, perform cylinder valves adjustments. So the parts they used was front head gasket and a RR head gasket. So each of those gaskets were $32.75 for a total of $65.50. The recommended maintenance was to perform a tune-up maintenance. So they replaced the timing belt, the water pump, the timing belt tensioner, cam seals, crank seal, and the drive belt. All of that costs $1,140. So the belt cost $165.21. The oil seal cost $24.21. The oil seal, there's another oil seal, that's $24.28. The tensioner was $303.04. The water pump is $315.06. And the alternator belt was $91.67. The total for parts here was $947.68. Another thing they did was replace the engine air filter, and that was $34 for the labor, and the filter itself was $36. So let me break it down. The total price.
So what was the total cost?
So the total labor was $2,021.50. The total parts was $1,548.26. And the taxes was $158.70. And it looks like they gave me a discount of $569.76. Because when I was there and they gave me the preliminary cost and they told me it was $3,000, I was just in total shock. I was just like, oh my gosh, do you guys have a coupon or something for this? So the representative behind the counter said that she had to go talk to her manager and she got me this discount. She just punched in a bunch of keys in her computer, and took off the $569.76. So the total invoice cost was $3,158.70. That is the cost when your Honda Ridgeline goes over 100,000 miles. So just be prepared to pay for that. And that is it. Okay, hopefully this video was helpful for you. So if your vehicle hasn't reached 100,000 miles, just be prepared. This is quite costly. This is something that you'll only pay for every time your vehicle hits 100,000 miles. All right, that is it. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button and notification bell for more videos when they come out. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.